very eager to open a business talaga. So nung nakakita kami ng potential with specialty coffee na wala pa talaga nag-offer dito ng specialty coffee shop sa atin sa Mindoro or dito na lang sa atin nearby towns, naisipan ko or that triggers me na pagbalik ko ng Dubai, I started to build this business plan with specialty concept na ang inspiration is Hexagon talaga, which is yung ginagamit namin na nandito na logo. Mostly ng aming mga displays has Hexagon. I'm Cyril Eson, owner of Arbiter Coffee Shop here in Bungabong Oriental, Mindoro. I was former or previous OFW na nag-work sa Dubai, specialty coffee shop in Dubai for 5 years. 2 years in administrative position. After pandemic, nag-try kami magbakasyon ng kapatid ko dito sa atin sa province, and we try to look for a potential to open coffee shop or specialty coffee concept dito sa atin, and we found out na medyo marami pa rin commercial based, and ilan lang ang nakakaalam kung ano yung difference ng specialty coffee and commercial coffee based na concept ng coffee shop. So when I returned sa Dubai, I started conceptualizing and nakakita ako ng potential to open it, and nag-try ako magbuo ng concept, and nag-start ako with the shape of hexagon. And my family give me idea with that connects to beehives, honey, and final decision namin is molecules. Arbiter Coffee Shop, nag-start siya as Cafe Molecules way back 2022. After ko mag-resign from my company in Dubai for 5 years, inuwi ko yung business plan na nabuo ko. I started with flash drip coffee or cold drip based coffee. Nag-workout siya, but then I found out na marami pa rin talaga mga tao na hindi na familiar dun sa mga natural tasting notes and origin ng coffees. And that gives me a hint na I need to educate the market para mas madali akong makilala. October and November, nag-start po kami under Cafe Molecules na mag-offer ng training just to spread out the company concept, which is specialty coffee, na may gantong klase ng concept now sa coffee in the world. From that bottle itself na nag-workout and the training program na binigay namin to spread out yung concept na specialty coffee, the family decided na mag-construct kami nitong physical coffee shop. Binild namin ang Arbiter Coffee Shop para na rin masubukan na mag-offer ng iba pang types ng preparation. So it's a trial business concept na ginawa namin dito sa likod ng bahay namin. And sabi ko sa family ko, why not try to open a small shop that is open for public, and if it will work out, itutuloy namin yung concept. April 2023, we already started offering, dalawa lang kami nung partner ko, to offer and create more drinks with espresso base maliban dun sa bottle namin. And we find out na dito sa atin maraming interested to try the coffees at first. So ang maganda doon is we try to introduce and educate our first customers na naging regular customers na namin now when it comes to providing yung natural tasting notes and profile. Ang difference ni Arbiter Coffee Shop with other commercial based coffees, we are serving international origin coffees from local, which is Philippine coffees, and different type of origins na galing sa iba't ibang klase ng bansa. Dito sa mga specialty grade coffees, makikita natin or malalasahan natin yung natural tasting notes or profile ng coffees without using any syrups na gaya ng mga nasa commercial base. Ang specialty coffee now is part ng third wave na tinatawag. So, merong era or generation of coffee drinking na tinatawag. Ang first wave coffee drinking na tinatawag is yung ating mga traditional coffee, which is yung mga 3-in-1 coffees, mga package, or yung mga mabilisan. Yung second wave is referring to dun sa mga commercial coffees or branded chains of coffees. Not totally na dahil nagsiserve sila ng syrups, but they are coffee shops that is promoting brands, meaning yung chain of brands and yung life status or status in life, which is like Starbucks coffee, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaves. Those are part ng second wave na coffee drinking. In terms of specialty coffee, part na siya ng third wave or third generation, kumbaga na sinasabi. Artisan coffee drinking which promotes yung natural taste ng coffee mismo. Through science, they are studying yung mga natural taste of the coffee beans na meron pala ito without using any suppressor. Mostly sa specialty coffee ang ginagamit is Arabica coffee beans which grows in higher elevation or higher places. May mga country of origins like outside the country na mas mataas kasi yung elevation. For Philippine naman, Philippine coffee or specialty coffees, the higher mountain is Mount Apo, isa that we tried. Second one is Sagada Coffee, which is malapit nga sa Benguet, no? So the higher the mountain na dun sila nagtanim, depende pa sa climate ng mountain na yon, and the soils, then yung how they farm it, paglagay ng mga fertilizer, how they handle yung mga plants, the more quality po ang napoproduce na fruits ng mga coffee tree natin. Dahil nga delicate yung pagplant or pag-handle ng mga trees ng Arabica coffees, let's say, or yung mga higher graded coffees, mas complicated sa part ng mga farmers to give you yung ganong klase na lasa. So, sa specialty coffee, we want to give back din dun sa mga farmers, kumbaga, yung effort nila to provide those higher quality coffee beans. To make sure na ma-experience or ma-enjoy ni arbiters or ng community namin lahat yung different flavors or origin ng coffee, we are storing at least 10 origins. Like when you say arbiter is it's mediating coffee. Arbiter means judge. So kapag na-try mo yung coffee namin at first, then you enjoyed it or you appreciate that at first, pag pumunta ka sa ibang coffee shop, you are already doing arbiter in coffee. Kaya yung community namin, we call them arbiters. The reason is kapag na-try nila yung coffee namin, they are bringing the experience to other coffee shops and try to compare it. Doon nangyayari yung arbiter coffee na tinatawag.